Welcome to White Label Dating's The Inside Track, an exclusive video series bringing you all of the latest news from the online dating industry, tips and tricks to help you grow your online dating site's marketing campaigns, keeping you up to date with all of the latest product releases and enhancements from White Label Dating, and so much more. In this month's episode of The Inside Track, Seb, our head of White Label Dating, will be talking about how our platform performed in May and our plans to support our partners' growth into the USA. And Dave, our Chief Revenue Officer, will be talking in detail about our brand new ring-fence networks and a new tool offering over 15 brand new cross-sell zones.
Hi everyone, my name's Seb and I'm the head of White Label Dating. I'd like to start June's Inside Track by giving you some insight into how our award-winning platform performed in May for our partners. May was a record-breaking month for new paying subscribers platform-wide, with an increase of 20% in May versus April, following a recent project that involved us optimising our billing processes with the aim of increasing payment success rate across all of our processes. As a reminder, new paying subscribers are recorded from the new traffic driven to your site as registrations that then go on to upgrade to full paying memberships. In the UK, which is our largest territory, we saw an incredible 14% increase in new paying subscribers from April to May, peaking at 15% on our casual network. In May, we also saw an incredible boost in same-day conversion by 14%. Same-day conversion, as a reminder, is recorded when a basic registration upgrades their membership to a paid subscription on the same day that they joined a dating site. We're incredibly proud of how our platform is supporting partners' growth as the second half of 2020 begins. And with a boost in payment success and therefore revenue, there really isn't a better time for our partners to expand their portfolios. And with portfolio expansion in mind, we've been eagerly gathering a large data set from a USA network to support our partners as they grow their dating portfolios across the pond. Today, I'd like to focus on the vast untapped opportunities that the USA poses for many of our partners and begin to share some of our findings with you. Last month alone, we recorded a 12% increase in new paying subscribers in the USA. As well as our payment optimizations, we had also implemented a native payment processor late last year. When we did, our US mainstream payment success rate increased by over 100%. It's crazy, it's doubled, and we've managed to sustain that. As I said, conversion rates have remained solid, with the number of members upgrading to a paid subscription on the same day joining a dating site increasing substantially by 14% in May versus April. In June, we're currently seeing further increases on top of that, and we anticipate this to rise in the coming weeks. Subsequent upgrades past the day a member registers have also increased. Those upgrading by their third day on the platform increased by 10% on our mainstream network and by a huge 31% on our casual network. Those upgrading by their seventh day have also followed in the same direction. With all of this in mind, I'm keen to share with you some of our broad findings regarding territories and niches. With such a large landmass and population, geo-targeting will be key to your success in the USA territory. Dave will talk later about how we're committing to populating the databases of our new networks, but to make sure you get the biggest bang for your buck in the meantime, we've identified the best locations to target as well as the highest converting niches. Some niches that are showing some interesting statistics in particular are mature niches in California. These are excelling when it comes to an above average conversion rate. Religious niches have also shown high conversion rates in this area. California, as it stands, could be an absolute goldmine for our partners to experiment in, and we've identified areas such as Calabasas and Santa Paula as strong converting locations within this state. If you'd like to know more about which locations can give you a strong return on investment, as well as the ideal price points and package mixes, do reach out to your partner manager and they'll be happy to help. We're excited to see many emerging niches in the US mainstream network. The rich sugar daddy / wealthy men niche is showing incredibly competitive CPLs of less than £1.60 in states such as Florida and California. These locations are showing strong and consistent conversion rates, so this niche is certainly one that I would advise you partners to consider for US experimentation this summer. We've identified a number of states to target initially in the USA, and we are thrilled to unearth additional opportunities as we continue populating more states. We are currently experimenting the success of new niches within the US mainstream network, ready for a rollout to partners very, very soon. Networks such as Christian, where there are a multitude of Christian denominations such as Baptist, Jehovah's Witnesses, Catholic, Eastern Orthodox, the list really does go on. Politically minded niches as well, such as Democrats and Republicans, also niches and networks around gun owners, vegans, and so much more. The casual niche also has a number of opportunities that are very exciting, and we are currently gathering data to share with you on dating for couples, dating for married people, BDSM, swinging, and so much more. As I said in previous episodes of the Inside Track, the USA offers a lot of opportunities for portfolio expansion for many of our partners, and with a number of these new and exciting niches on the horizon, there has never been a better time to broaden your portfolios. We're committed, as always, to helping partners grow their US portfolios, so if you want to begin exploring this territory, then please get in touch, and your account manager will be happy to help. You can also reach out to us on partner support at whitelabeldating.com, and we can help to guide you there also. I'll now pass you over to our Chief Revenue Officer, Dave, who is going to talk more about our new networks for all other territories too, as well as our exciting new cross-sell tool. It's been great catching up with you. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, my name's Dave, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at White Label Dating. This month, I'll be talking all about opportunities to expand your dating portfolio into brand new networks and niches, as well as introducing a very exciting new cross-sell tool. It is with pleasure that I'm able to announce that we are currently at an annualised run rate investment of £1.2 million, which is double our committed $600,000 investment in 12 months in new niches and the USA. Despite the COVID-19 outbreak and the subsequent lockdown, the entire WLD team has been working relentlessly on the creation and population of these new niches, as well as ensuring platform engagement is sustained so that we can deliver better retention for our partners. During the first half of 2020, we committed to acquiring female members on both the mainstream and casual networks. We wanted to ensure that when the time was right for our partners to start driving traffic, the new networks, the databases would be buzzing with activity from already engaged female members. We've also been working on the acquisition of specific member demographics, ages and locations where it was necessary to ensure sufficient engagement across all identified member types, regardless of the partner activity. Now, as a partner, you may have seen some of our highly targeted emails and chasers that we've been optimizing to encourage the completion of profiles, photos, and introductions. I'm excited to share that we are testing the following 8 network niches and that they will soon be available to partners. These are the mature, single parent, widowers, toy boys, sugar daddies, married dating, BDSM, and swinger niches. We are more aware than ever of what real dating consumers are looking for, and we want to set a benchmark of creating a network niche that will provide greater customer satisfaction and ultimately a better ROI for our partners. We also wanted to focus on particular areas for our partners, such as lower acquisition cost, higher LTV, and ultimately a greater ROI. Along with this, we are working on the following areas to ensure that our new network niche project is as successful as possible. Optimize email CRM for the niche, optimize on-site niche content, including videos, articles, and blogs, optimize on-site merchandising for the niche, optimize profiles, interests, and characteristics for the niche, and we also want to make it business configurable so that we can rapidly deploy new niches in a matter of days, not months. This is a really exciting time to be a partner with White Label Dating. Now, along with the new niches that will be available in the coming weeks and months, I'm happy to announce that partners will also have access to a brand new cross-sell tool. We've identified several new cross-sell real estate opportunities for our partners, and we see huge chances for the increase of cross-sell registrations and upgrades that could ultimately come from this. With this new cross-sell tool, we will be able to offer partners an additional 11 zones on desktop and 23 new zones on mobile, specifically for your cross-sell acquisition. These zones will be released incrementally over an 8-week period. Now, cross-sell is a huge part of your traffic investment and our account management, and the team work tirelessly to audit and optimise your existing cross-sell month on month. Your account managers have the ability to fine-tune the visibility of your current cross-sell banners as per your conversion rates. This new cross-sell tool will be a project that yourself and your partner manager can work on to ensure that you are seeing the best return on investment from cross-sell. We feel that up until now, cross-sell potential has been untapped in places, and we are confident that by adding these new zones across your existing sites, you'll be able to reap the benefits of being able to capture already engaged users and cross-sell these onto other brands and niches within your portfolio. This new tool is going to form a major part of our network niching project to support the population of the new networks that we're building. This is going to be a supplementary strategy to ensure that these new networks can reach a strong critical mass as quickly as possible to ensure that the traffic that you're acquiring through active acquisition and spend has the highest propensity to upgrade and generate a positive ROI. Finally, the mainstream to mainstream cross-sell will be available for a one-click setup in order to maximise the cross-sell opportunities and remove any friction from the process. That's all from me this month. Please do speak to your partner manager if you'd like to know more about anything I've been discussing today in this month's episode of the Inside Track. We're incredibly excited to see what summer 2020 has to bring and offer for our partners and their profit margins.
Thanks for watching June's Inside Track. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next month.